Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a stamp set I worked with, practicing my Copic coloring. And if you are a follower of the channel, I did get this from Globleland and you did see that unboxing. But if you are new here, welcome, and I will put that unboxing video here for you to get a chance to take a look at it and see the other great items that Globleland has to offer. They're very economical. They have an array of stamps and dies, some other crafty materials, but I figured today this is one of the images I stamped out and colored. It's from this stamp set, and the stamp set is called Pretty Women. I will leave the link to this stamp set in my description box below, as well as the other items I got from them and they had asked me to review. So it does stamp out very well. I've stamped this just on cardstock with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I use my stamp apparatus to, stamp a few times. And so that's just one of the image. Here's another image, or that's the same image, just not colored. There's another image. This is the image I'm going to color today. And here is another image. So they're all pretty girls. Of course, my girl is going to be Hawaiian, just because I only know how to do the brown shading so far for skin with my Copics. So let's start with that. I'm gonna zoom in a little. And we'll get to coloring her face. So my colors that I've learned to use for the skin tone are Copic marker E04, and then I come in with some E35. And then I blend all over with some E21. So that's what I'll use first to start coloring her face. So I'm just gonna play some music as I color her out, her skin, and then I'll come back and let you know about the hair, and then, So enjoy the music. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in. It's harsh on this paper because it's not blending paper, it's just regular cardstock. So, and that's what I use. So that's why we're getting this harsh line on the camera. But now we go to the hair, and the hair I used for the darkest is E57, E35, and E50, I believe. Well, that's the ones I'm going to use. And we want to go in the same strokes as the hair. Oh, sorry, you probably didn't see a lot of that. Then I'm going in with the second color, which is the E35. And then the last color is E50. Okay, so now flowers. Let's see. We have some green leaves. Oh, the green leaf was G85 and G17. And then some flower colors. What kind of flower colors? Can you believe that I don't I don't know which ones to pick. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do that. E04, R11, and R20. So I'm gonna put the darkest in the middle, which I hope is this, and flick out. Oh, I'm sorry I keep shaking everything. It's because my camera touches my table, so it shakes. Then the next shade is the E20. And the last shade is R11. And then my middle, I'm just gonna use the only yellow I have for the center. And there you have it. So I'll probably use her for a card. Just add a sentiment, layer the base, trim it down, layer it up with a solid color cardstock. But yeah, so don't forget, go below and check out the links I have for the other products. I do have a coupon code. It does give you $5 off of a purchase of $40. It is Makaz 5. And you'll find the link to their website again in the description below. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!